So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to unbox a greeting card box. I have never seen one yet, but I have often heard its name. It is very good in looking. I have never seen it, but I know its name, greeting card, obviously. So, there are no instructions and I don't know how to use it. I want to use it. So let's start. So this is the box. Here is written make your own greeting card. It's so interesting. And there are so many tapes. Purple, blue, red, orange, yellow, green and pink. So many tapes. And then happy birthday card also and ribbons also. There we can make so many cards in this. So let's open it. How do we open it? No, I forgot the scissors. Okay, I have opened it. So let's open it once again. It's so big! Oh, wow! See? It's so big. These are some ribbons. This is the cello tape. Here's cello tape. Now, then it is some posters, not posters, some other thing. Then this, and these three are decorating items. Wow, it's nice. And this is also decorating item ribbon. These are some cards, yellow, pink and white. Good. There are some shapes also. And this is Angry Bird. Happy birthday, Angry Bird! So now I'm going to keep it. Yes. Thank you guys for watching my video, and like, subscribe and watch my other videos also and share my videos. So I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.